In this video, we will show the best rollator walkers available to buy. At number 10. Karma Rollator Walker. Walker with seat from Karma Healthcare can be used as a rollator walker cum wheelchair. It is ideal for indoor and outdoor use. At number 9. Apex Digital Aluminium Adult Walker Rollator. Apex Walker Rollator is helpful for old patients. Height adjustable, folding with 4 wheels and hand brakes, back support, cushioned seat and basket. At number 8. KosmoCare Rollator Walker. Foldable premium imported aluminum frame, comes with a durable padded seat and a padded backrest that can be folded up or down. At number 7. Nova Medical Products Rollator Walker. The seat cover has an elastic edge for a snug fit and the back cover velcros over the backrest. It has a beautiful seat and back cover. At number 6. Carex Rolling Walker. It has lockable hand brakes and a padded seat and backrest that provide comfort and safety during use. The oversized 8-inch wheels make getting around easier. At number 5. HealthSmart Folding Rollator Walker. It is ultra lightweight at just 15 pounds. This sleek, European-style rollator lets you get around easily and fashionably. At number 4. Medline Bariatric Rollator Walker. It has large 8 inches wheels with reinforced forks and spokes for extra strength. Walker height range is 31.5 - 37.5 and weight capacity 500 pounds. At number 3. Drive Medical Nitro Rollator Walker. They can be used outdoors and indoors. Supreme value, comfort and mobility. Drive walker comes with a seat in case you need to sit and relax. At number 2. Drive Medical Aluminium Rollator Walker. It comes with padded seat with zippered pouch under seat. The removable, hinged, padded backrest can be folded up or down as necessary. At number 1. Hugo Elite Rollator Walker. This gives you the mobility, convenience, and portability that you need in a walker. This blue Elite Rollator has a 2-inch height adjustable built-in seat with backrest.